welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you basic tutorial on how to use Wondershare Filmora. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, make sure that you have already installed Filmora application, and then you're going to create new project. Click on new project here, and then you can import the video that you want to edit using Filmora. Click on this import menu, and for the video, I'm going to choose, for example, this video. Okay, click on open, and then you can drag the video to the timeline, or you can click on this plus icon. Okay, now the video has been added to the timeline, and then you're going to go to the basic tools, go to the video menu here, and then select basic. And here, guys, you can rotate your video, and then you can scale it, and you can flip your video here. And I'm going to flip my video, for example, like this. And then you can use this blend mode to blend two videos or more. And you can reduce the opacity here and apply background here. Okay. And then you can go to the mask. You can use mask like this. You can choose the shape of the mask. And then you can adjust the mask. And I'm just going to undo it. I'm not going to use mask. And then this is for the AI tools. For example, you can use this chroma key to remove green screen. Okay, and you can use AI portrait cutout, smart cutout, object remover here. And now let's move to the color menu. Alright, this is the color menu. And you can add LUT here, guys. Then you can adjust the color of your video. You can adjust the strength. And you can also apply AI color palette as well. And I'm going to scroll down. Okay, here you can adjust the temperature, saturation, lightness. And yeah, you can do adjustment here. And then this is for the HSL. And then I'm going to move to the speed menu. Here we can speed up or slow down our video, guys. And you can reverse your video as well using this reverse speed menu. Okay, and you can use speed ramping. Alright, and now let's move to this menu, guys. You can use this menu to add something to your video. You can add titles or text here, and then transition. And make sure that you have internet connection to use all these features, because we can only use it online unless you have downloaded the transition or the effect. Okay, this is the transition, and you can find the transition that you like using this search menu. And effect, you can choose the video effect, body effect, audio effect, new blue FX. Okay, and then this is for the filters. You can apply filters and stickers as well. And if you want to add voiceover to your video, guys, select this microphone menu. And this is for adding marker to your audio. And you can split your video here using the split menu. And yeah, I think I have already shown you all the features in Filmora. And this is the time to export. I'm going to click on export. And wait. Alright, this is the export menu. You can add the title here, and then you can choose the location where you want to save your video and choose the format. You can export it to audio only if you want. Just click on this MP3 if you want to export the audio only. Okay, and then wait, I'm going to choose MP4, and you can choose the quality. Choose high quality and choose the resolution. Alright, and then once you're ready to export it, you can click on export, and the video will be saved to your device. Okay, guys, and that's all the way to use Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!